Today let's make tofu scramble. I have a block of tofu, it's about 14 ounces, and I'm going to press it before I use it. Let's start. For this recipe, I am going to make spice blend separately. We have half cup of oat milk, nutritional yeast, black salt or kala namak as we call it, paprika, onion powder, red chili flakes, freshly ground black pepper, turmeric powder, regular salt, and we will whisk this mixture till it's smooth. We don't want any lumps, so take your time whisking it. And here I have a block of tofu that has been pressing for about 15 minutes. I'm going to cut small chunks off of this tofu. Some of these chunks are too big, so I'm cutting them further into smaller pieces to resemble scrambled eggs. And here I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, putting all my tofu pieces in the oil, and I will saute this mixture for a few minutes till it's nice and brown on all sides, or at least on most sides. And here is what it looks like after a few minutes of cooking. Now I'm going to pour sauce right over tofu. The stove is on low at this point, and I'm going to mix tofu and sauce together and cook it till all the sauce is absorbed by tofu. And this is what it looks like after a few minutes of cooking. I'm going to garnish it with some fresh chives, and that's it. We are done. Full recipe on my website YogChakra.com. Please like and subscribe.